This is Tom and Luke with Industrial Shelving Systems, and today we're going to show you how to assemble rivet shelving, also known as boltless shelving or rivet rack. The unique thing about rivet shelving is all you need is a leather mallet to assemble. No nuts or bolts are required. And if you're interested in this rivet shelving product for your business, warehouse, or home, you can click the link below. Today, we'll be assembling a 96-inch wide by 24-inch deep unit. To begin, you'll need 2 posts and 1 of the side beams. The 24-inch side beams will have 2 rivets on it and an angle on the beam. You'll begin by taking the beam and inserting it into the 2 posts. You always want to leave 1 hole open on the bottom, so you'll insert the rivets in the 2nd and 3rd hole from the bottom. You'll continue this process with whatever spacing you'd like up the rest of the upright. You'll repeat this process for the other side upright. Depending on the length of your front and rear beams, you may get an angle beam, just like your side beams were, or a channel beam if they're 96 inches long. The channel beam will look like a C, and the important part is to keep the diagonal cut in the upward position. The next step is to insert the front and back beams into the unit. It's easiest to take one upright, start at the bottom, and work your way up. Now you'll take your other side upright and do the same thing to the other side. With your bottom level in place, you'll continue to put in the remainder of the front and rear beams. Depending on the length of your unit, a beam tie may be required. 48-inch wide front beams and shorter do not require beam ties. Anything larger than 48 inches will require a beam tie, and this 96-inch unit requires 2 beam ties. The beam ties have 2 holes that will go right into the spots on the rivet on the front and back beams. Repeat this step for the remaining beam levels. The final step of assembly is putting in the decking. There are 2 decking options, the first being a particle board wood decking. The wood decking sits directly on the beam levels and is held in by the angles of the posts. The other type of decking we offer is a wire decking. The 72-inch wide and under units come in a 1-piece deck and are installed the same way the particle board decking would. The 96-inch unit requires 2-piece wire deck secured by zip ties. Instructions will be provided with your order, but for the 2-piece wire deck, you will secure them together into the unit via zip ties. Repeat the decking process on your remaining levels and your rivet shelving unit is complete. These heavy-duty rivet shelving units are great for bulky, hand-loaded storage items. Industrial Shelving Systems has these units in stock ready to ship. If you need help determining what size is best for your application, feel free to call or email and one of our storage experts can help determine the size you need. We offer AutoCAD layouts at no charge and would love to help you with your project.